Malware protection is not something most people think about until something goes wrong. But in 2025, threats are smarter, scams are more convincing, and malware can slip in from places you would never expect. So choosing the right security tool matters. Two of the most talked about options today are Malwarebytes and Windows Defender. And even though they both aim to protect your device, the way they work and the experience you get with each one feels very different. Malwarebytes, however, is known more for active threat removal and targeted defense. It has always been good at tracking down malware that hides deep in a system. It is especially strong against adware, unwanted programs, and sneaky software that traditional antivirus tools sometimes miss. Malwarebytes focuses on modern threats, which is helpful because many attacks today do not look like traditional viruses at all. They come disguised as browser pop-ups, fake installers, email attachments, or even modified apps. Malwarebytes is built to recognize and stop those kinds of tricks quickly. It also has a clean, simple interface that makes scanning and quarantining threats straightforward. It is not confusing or technical. Windows Defender comes installed on every Windows device. It is built in, always running, and constantly updated by Microsoft. Because of that, it has a major advantage. You do not need to download anything or set anything up. Defender has grown a lot over the past few years. It now includes real-time scanning, firewall integration, ransomware protection, and cloud-based threat detection. It has become a genuinely strong, everyday security tool for most users. For casual browsing, online shopping, and regular daily work, Windows Defender does a solid job without slowing your computer down. It blends into the background and does not nag you with alerts unless something serious happens. So the decision depends largely on the type of user you are. If you want smooth, maintenance-free, everyday protection, and you mostly stick to trusted spaces online, Windows Defender is enough and genuinely strong in 2025. But if you want active defense against trickier, modern malware sources, or you like to download and experiment with software and media from different places, Malwarebytes provides stronger, specialized protection. In simple terms, Defender is your everyday shield. Malwarebytes is your security expert in the field. Many people even choose to use both, with Defender running by default and Malwarebytes as an on-demand scanner or real-time partner. Either way, taking security seriously in 2025 is essential, and both of these tools can help keep your device safe when used correctly.